Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Apple account in 2026. Now, let's head into the settings of your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. It doesn't really matter. And if you wanted a new Apple ID or Apple account, you need to first just tap on your name at the very top. Now, it's really important because the email address associated with your current Apple account, if you have a current Apple account, cannot be used again. There's only one Apple account per email address. So take note of what email address is right there and keep note that you won't be able to use that exact same Apple account email address. However, let's hop out of here and open up a web browser. You can't do it in the settings of your iPhone, iPad, or whatever, but you can do it in a web browser to create a new account. So we're going to go to account.apple.com. Again, account.apple.com. You can also go to appleid.apple.com. When you hit go, you'll be able to see it says one account for everything, and it prompts you to sign in. But if you already have an account, we don't want to sign in to your old account. We want it to just create a new one. And you can do that at the very top right, that little drop down arrow, just tap on that. And you'll be able to see sign in and create your Apple account. So tap on that. Now keep in mind your Apple account is the same as your Apple ID account. And on here, you can enter in your first name, last name, the country, your birthday. This is really important. This email address, again, cannot be the same one that you used for a previous Apple account. And then just enter in a password or whatever you want, phone number, and then scroll down to the bottom and then hit continue. This will create that new account, but most likely after you created it, you want to then go back and add it in or sign in on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Now, once you open up your settings, again, you're just going to tap at the very top on your name. And now let's sign into the new one just by scrolling down and tapping on sign out at the bottom. It will ask you, do you want to erase this iPhone? But I just want to sign out, but not erase it. And then I can just hit continue. Now it says these items will be removed, your Apple account, the Find My, and wallet, and then just go through this process of signing out of your old Apple ID account and then sign into your new Apple account and you're good to go. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.